Today we're opening this tin right here. Plastic. I guess I didn't get it too good there the first time. Okay, so let's see what's in here. We have sticker sheets. Some stickers. And we have 3 packs. And what did we get? Obsidian Flames, Obsidian Flames, and Scarlet and Violet. Let's start out with Scarlet and Violet base set. Claw, Brevard, Kilowatt Roll. Oh, I got it right first time. Crocodile, reverse of Troll, and a Slowbro. Don't know if he's worth anything or not, so we'll set him over there. Obsidian Flames. Lillipup. Crabrawler. Clefairy. Sorry. Sharpedo. Lunatone and I need a shredder like my brother. Let's go for some last pack magic here. Uber. Altoy. Gumshoe. Lapras. Oh. Rockruff. Lappet. And definitely not my best showing. But we'll see what happens with the next one.